everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I have like a lot of things to do and like office work. I have some office work I need to do that. Then I'll be like I need to order some of the things which are like very necessary, the skincare and all. And since it's winter, I can't at all like avoid skincare because it's too cool. And if I avoid, like, the skin becomes so dry that you can't be, it feels itchy and all, and it's not at all good if you don't apply like a moisturizer on your skin. Then like I want to go and visit the Tipu Sultan Palace, so that I'll be going. And nearby it, I have heard that there is a palace. I guess it's Bangalore Palace or Bangalore Fort, I don't know, but it's nearby, so I'm thinking to go there also. And then that is the plan till now, and let's see after that what I do. So yes, let's start with all the work that I need to do. Done with the work and everything. Now I'm going to Tipu Sultan Palace. There was like a lot of delay and I started very late. I don't know whether I can cover the Bangalore Fort. I guess, yeah, Bangalore Fort. So let's see. Like if time permits, then I'll be going to that Bangalore Fort. Otherwise, I'll see something else if there's something else around there to roam. So yes, guys, like we have reached the Tipu Sultan Palace. Like it's near, like behind me, and yes, let's see. I mean, it's like a new experience, like visiting some historical places and all. So yes, let's see. Let's go inside. God, my background is like so beautiful. Like they have well maintained these like the place and all. Let's go up and see how does it look and feel. It's like well maintained. There is a CC camera and everything, and yes, again you can see like all those paints are like chipped off, but still it's good. I mean, they have really maintained it. Here you see, this is the darbar where like he used to sit and command, or any meetings that happen. There are like all these used to happen where like he used to sit here and do perform all those things. So yes, that I got to know. And also like inside the Tipu Sultan, you can see like the bomb rocket, like a rocket where it has a very big knife attached to it and a stick attached to it. So yeah, you can go inside and see. There no photography was like allowed, so I couldn't shoot there, but yeah, you can go inside and you can see that. This is the garden of the palace itself. So it is attached. So this is the palace, and here we have the garden, and the entry fee is also very nominal, so it doesn't burn your pocket, and you can just visit it casually if you want to explore. Yes, guys, so like I have visited the entire summer palace, and now I'm just sitting here. I'll sit here for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll see if I can go to Bangalore Palace. Actually, it's around like 5 o'clock, and I think Bangalore Palace closes at 5:30. So I don't think today Bangalore Palace is possible. So I'm thinking to go to Kaban Park. So this is the side view of the palace. Now I'm heading towards the Kaban Park. Actually, there's a flower show, so there I'll go and I'll see how it is. I think it's the last day, I guess, so I don't know properly, but I'll go and see if it's there. Then it would be really nice to see all the flowers. just reached the Kaban Park, and now I'm heading to the flower show. So yes, guys, this is the third time I'm filming. There's something happening with my phone. Actually, when I'm putting the record button on, but it's still you know it's getting off. So this is the third time I'm recording. Yeah, now I'm going to the chocolate room to have some desserts. Like, I have heard some good reviews about it, so now I'm going there, and I'll see what I'll choose, or maybe I'll ask them only, like the staff, to recommend something, and I'll try it. So yeah, let's go. So I have come to chocolate room, and like, I have ordered dark, like, hot chocolate. So let's see how does it taste. Just came back from the chocolate room, and oh my god, like, I claim myself as like a big chocolate lover. Like, I love chocolates. Like, I eat a lot of chocolates, but once, like, for the first time, like, I have ordered the hot chocolate, which was like dark hot chocolate. Then after that, I thought I'll eat again, like, more chocolate. I can have that. I have the capacity to eat more chocolate. But once, like, I have ordered that fondue, I guess. Yeah, it's fondue, like milk fondue. Just I took like one bite of it, and I couldn't eat. Like, it was too sweet for me. Like, back to back eating sugary food, I guess. So now I don't claim myself to be a chocolate lover and all. Hot chocolate was good, and also, like, the fondue was good. But if you guys go, like, 4 people visit, like, and want to eat fondue, then it's okay. But if, like, 1 or 2 people are going and want to eat the fondue, I think it would be like a big quantity, like a huge quantity for 2 people. So yeah, and that's it. I hope you like the video, guys. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.